Thank you for joining me once again today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training that is being done in Germany, still on logistics, transportation. If you're interested in this, videos 1 to 6 career paths under this first area of specialization has been done, and this is the continuation video. I encourage you to watch the previous videos, are educative and informative. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, we say a big thank you. Feel free to share this video with friends and families. For someone who doesn't understand the language yet and is still trying to find the right option, be it a professional or non-professional, this video is really going to help them. Coming to today's business, the 7th career path is a KAUFMANN fuel VERKEHRSSERVICE. That is traffic service clerk. The duration is 3 years, and the type of training is a anerkannte Ausbildung. It's a recognized training. What do? They provide information with a focus on sales and services when it comes to cars. They also work as clerks and process complaints, known about travel connections. They sell tickets, they check tickets, they purchase material and take part in advertising measures. So they also inform customers about preventive measures or ensure safety when transporting dangerous goods. Where do they find employment? They find employment in passenger transport for rail, shipping, bus agencies or airport agencies as well. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you need your certificate. You must have your Hauptschulabschluss or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, that is your university qualification, your secondary school diploma. If you have certificates that are higher than this, you can be accepted as well. But if you don't have any certificates, you can't be accepted into this vocational training. This also be done. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The 8th career path is a craft fahrzeug mechanic, car mechanic, carrying, that is a motor vehicle mechatronics technician. This is the 8th career path, and the first area of specialization under the 8th career path is Schwerpunkt Karosserietechnik, that is focused on car body technology. The duration is 3 years and 5 months. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training occupation. What do? They are the automotive mechatronics engineer. They focus on the body technology, assess damage to vehicle bodies or bodywork, lightweight components, and structures. They determine how much the frame of a car is wrapped after an accident, or determine the depth of dents after an accident, and they bring the shape back using straightening machines. If a repair is no longer worthwhile, the body part is replaced. They also repair minor damage using smart repair procedures. For example, removing all small dents while protecting the paintwork or repairing damage to the glazing. Where do they find employment? They find employment in repair workshops, body shops, and motor vehicle manufacturing and supplying companies. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. Without a certificate, it's just 2% that is being admitted. But if you have your Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, and you have certificates that are equivalent or higher than this, then you are going to be accepted into this vocational training. That's your school leaving diploma, your university qualification, and other certificates that are in equivalent or higher than that, then you are going to be accepted into this career path. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization is a Schwerpunkt Motorrad technique, that is focused on motorcycle technology. The duration is 3 years and 5 months as well. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. What do? Vehicle mechatronics engineer with a focus on motorcycle technology, production, maintain and repair motorcycles of various types, e.g. choppers, motocross bikes, or enduros. They check the vehicle technical spots and system, such as the drive, the lighting, the chassis or braking systems. They identify manufacturers They identify malfunction, and correct their causes. They use computer-based measuring and testing systems. They also do repair work. They replace minor parts. They carry out conversion according to customers' requirements, approve regulations and manufacturers' specification. Where do they find employment? They find employment in mechatronics workshop with a focus on motorcycle technology or suppliers of motorcycle. They are also find employment at parts dealers with an attached repair workshop or repair workshops that are into motorcycles repair. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. You need your Hauptschulabschluss or your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, and if you have other qualifications that are of the same equivalence or higher, you are accepted as well. If you don't have a certificate, it's only 2% that is being accepted into this career. So if it's better to have this certificate I said earlier on. If you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. Share this with friends and families. It can help someone. Don't give up on your career because only you can stop you.